Hi friends, I'm Masty, and today I'm in a park where only couples are allowed. So we're going to talk to a few couples here. The video you just watched, I made it in only 10 minutes. I didn't record any voice, I didn't add background music, and I didn't add any sound effects. Everything was generated automatically and completely free. You don't need a student ID, and you don't have to spend a single rupee. The method is so simple that even a kid could follow it and easily make a video. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First, go to the Play Store and search for ChatGPT. If you already have it installed, open it. Now we need to create an image that we will later turn into a video, and it will look totally real, just like the video you saw at the beginning. Type this prompt: an Indian girl reporting in a park while holding a microphone. The girl should look very beautiful. Then add, give me a character prompt for the image. You will receive a character prompt. Copy it. Now go to Google and search ViscLab AI. Open the first website, click on Enter Tool, and log in with any Gmail account. Paste the prompt you copied. Select the ratio and click Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll get a high-quality image with no limits and no credit charges. Download the image you like. Now go back to ChatGPT, paste the same character prompt, and type below it, the same girl is now reporting with a couple in the same park. ChatGPT will generate a new prompt. Copy it. Return to the ViscLab AI website, delete the old text, paste the new prompt, and click Add Image to upload the previous photo so that the face stays exactly the same. Then click Generate. You'll see that the character remains 100% the same, only the scene changes. Now we need to convert the image into a video. In ChatGPT, click the plus icon, go to Photos, and upload the downloaded image. Then paste the prompt provided in the description and replace the name or location with your own. For example, replace the name with your name or change park to market or street. ChatGPT will now give you a code to generate the video. Click Copy Code. Next, go to Google and search Google Flow. Open the first website and click Create with Flow. Log in with your Gmail account. You will get 180 free credits, and each video costs only 20 credits, which means you can make unlimited free videos using different Gmail accounts. Now, instead of text to video, select Frames to Video. Upload your image, choose Landscape or Portrait mode, paste the ChatGPT code, and click Generate. Your video will be ready in about a minute. Download it in the original size. See? Hi friends, I'm Masty, and today I'm in a park where only couples are allowed, so we're going to talk to a few couples. The video quality is excellent, and the lip sync is perfectly accurate. So friends, this is how you can create realistic AI videos for free, without editing, without recording voice, and without spending any money. If you liked the video, comment and tell me what topic you want next. I'll make the next video on the topic that gets the most comments. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye friends.